Payroll is the lifeblood of any business. It's how companies show their employees that they value their hard work. When done right, it keeps employees happy and keeps our clients' business running smoothly. But payroll is more than just handing out paychecks. It involves a series of crucial steps. Each step ensures accuracy and compliance with the law. Think of payroll as a well-oiled machine. Each part needs to work in sync to function properly. From tracking employee hours to calculating and paying taxes, every step is critical. Mistakes can lead to unhappy employees, penalties, and even legal issues, which will then lead to losing our clients. In today's complex world, managing payroll can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here to break it down so that you will correctly and efficiently process payroll for our clients. This guide will provide a clear and concise roadmap to mastering payroll processing. We'll equip you with the knowledge and confidence to handle payroll like a pro. Remember, processing payroll for our clients accurately and on time is not just good business practice, it's also the law. So, let's dive in and learn how to make payroll a seamless process for both you and our valued clients and their employees. When it comes to payroll, there are several key players involved. Each ELG employee has specific responsibilities to ensure the process runs smoothly. Let's take a look at who does what. Our client's human resources, or HR, plays a crucial role in providing employee data to our team. They collect and verify information such as new hire details, salary changes, and termination dates, which they will then forward the information to ELG. HR also manages employee benefits, which directly affect payroll deductions. Depending on the client, ELG may also assist in managing employee benefits and payroll deductions. The ELG payroll team are responsible for the actual calculation and processing of employee pay. We will collect timesheets, calculate gross pay, deduct taxes and other withholdings, and issue paychecks or direct deposits using our payroll software such as QuickBooks Payroll. Our client will ensure the availability of funds for payroll distributions. The ELG payroll team, depending on the client, may also assist ensuring funds availability for payroll distributions. The ELG payroll team will prepare and send payroll reports to our clients. Our clients also play a role in the payroll process. They are responsible for accurately reporting their work hours, submitting any necessary documentation for expense reimbursements, and reviewing their pay stubs for accuracy. The ELG payroll team, depending on the client, may also assist in this process. Clear communication and collaboration between these parties are essential for successful payroll processing. When the ELG payroll rep understands the roles and responsibilities of everyone involved, the process becomes more efficient and less prone to errors. Before you even think about calculating paychecks, let's review the payroll processing steps. There are a few essential pre-payroll tasks you need to complete. These steps ensure you have all the necessary information to process payroll accurately. Collect time and attendance data from QuickBooks Time or from our clients. This step involves gathering accurate records of employee work hours, including regular hours, overtime, and any time off taken. You can use time cards, timesheets, or automated time tracking systems such as QuickBooks Time. Verify any adjustments, reimbursements, or anything that will be needed to add to payroll. Make sure you have the most up-to-date information on employee salaries, including any raises, bonuses, or deductions. Review any changes in employment status, such as promotions or terminations. Update tax documents. Ensure all employee tax documents are current and valid. This includes Form W-4 for federal income tax withholding and any state or local tax forms. Process new hires and terminations before completing payroll. Add new employees to the payroll system and ensure they have completed all necessary paperwork. Process terminations by calculating final paychecks and any outstanding vacation or sick time. By taking the time to properly prepare for payday, you can avoid costly errors and delays. Remember, accuracy is crucial when dealing with employee compensation. Now that you have all the necessary information, it's time to calculate employee pay. This step involves several calculations to ensure employees are paid accurately for their work. Calculate gross pay. Gross pay is the total amount an employee earns before any deductions. For hourly employees, multiply their regular hours worked by their hourly rate and add any overtime pay. For salaried employees, divide their annual salary by the number of pay periods. Calculate deductions. Deductions are amounts withheld from an employee's gross pay, including federal and state income taxes, Social Security taxes, Medicare taxes, and any voluntary deductions like health insurance premiums or retirement contributions. Determine net pay. Net pay, also known as take-home pay, is the amount an employee receives after all deductions have been subtracted from their gross pay. Consider additional earnings. Don't forget to include any additional earnings, such as bonuses, commissions, or expense reimbursements. These amounts are added to the employee's gross pay. Calculating payroll can be complex, especially with various pay structures, deductions, and tax laws. Using our payroll software can automate these calculations, reducing the risk of errors. Before you distribute paychecks, it's crucial to have a robust approval process in place. This step helps ensure the accuracy of your payroll calculations and prevents costly mistakes. Generate comprehensive payroll reports that summarize all aspects of the payroll, including gross pay, deductions, net pay, and employer taxes. It's important to review these reports carefully for any discrepancies or errors. Depending on our client's internal controls, you may need to obtain approvals from designated personnel such as the payroll manager, finance manager, or CEO. If you identify any errors or discrepancies during the review process, investigate and correct them immediately. This may involve verifying employee hours, confirming deduction amounts, or adjusting tax calculations. The approval process is an essential safeguard against payroll errors. It provides an opportunity to catch and correct mistakes before they impact your employees' paychecks. Delivering the paychecks disbursement methods. Once your payroll has been calculated and approved, it's time to distribute paychecks to our client and their employees. There are several methods for dispersing payroll, each with its advantages and disadvantages. Direct deposit. This type of disbursement is a popular and convenient method where employees receive their paychecks electronically into their bank accounts. This method is efficient, secure, and reduces the risk of lost or stolen checks. Paper checks. While less common today, some companies still issue paper paychecks. This method requires printing and distributing physical checks, which can be time-consuming and costly. Zelle. This type of disbursement are usually handled directly by our client or authorized personnel within their company. This method can be beneficial for employees who do not want paper checks because they want their funds to hit their accounts faster. Other methods. Some companies offer alternative payment methods such as mobile wallets or peer-to-peer payment apps. The method our client chooses will depend on their abilities and preferences. Ensure you comply with any state or local laws regarding payroll disbursement. After the paychecks are sent, post-payroll tasks. After you've paid your employees, your payroll responsibilities aren't over yet. There are several important post-payroll tasks you need to complete to ensure compliance and maintain accurate records. Reconcile payroll accounts. Reconcile your payroll accounts with your bank statements to ensure all transactions are accounted for and there are no discrepancies. Process payroll taxes. Calculate and deposit all payroll taxes to the appropriate federal, state, and local tax agencies. This includes income taxes withheld, Social Security taxes, Medicare taxes, and unemployment taxes. Maintain payroll records. Keep accurate and organized records of all payroll information, including employee earnings, deductions, tax withholdings, and payment dates. These records are essential for tax purposes and potential audits. Address employee inquiries. Be prepared to answer any employee questions or concerns regarding their paychecks, deductions, or any other payroll-related matters promptly and professionally. By staying on top of these post-payroll tasks, you can maintain compliance, avoid penalties, and ensure a smooth and efficient payroll process. Lastly, staying on the right side of the law, compliance matters. Payroll compliance is crucial for any business. Failure to comply with federal, state, and local laws can result in hefty fines, penalties, and legal issues for our clients. Understand labor laws. Familiarize yourself with all applicable labor laws, including minimum wage requirements, overtime rules, and child labor laws. These laws vary by state, so it's essential to stay up to date on any changes. Maintain confidentiality. Treat all employee payroll information with the utmost confidentiality. Only authorized personnel should have access to this sensitive data. Adhere to data security standards. Implement strong data security measures to protect employee payroll information from unauthorized access, theft, or cyber attacks. Seek management guidance. Payroll compliance can be complex, especially for businesses operating in multiple states. Consider consulting with a payroll specialist or tax professional to ensure you meet all legal requirements. By prioritizing compliance, you can protect our clients' business and their employees. Remember, we have a responsibility to our clients. In conclusion, payroll done right means peace of mind. Mastering payroll processing is essential for any business owner or manager. It ensures our clients' employees are paid accurately and on time, keeps our clients in compliance with the law, and contributes to their positive work environment. While payroll can seem daunting, with the right knowledge and tools, ELG can streamline the process and avoid common pitfalls. Remember to stay organized, double-check your work, and seek guidance from management when needed. By making payroll a priority, our clients can focus on what matters most, growing their business and taking care of their valuable employees.